Your skin is living proof. Proof of this full and adventurous life that you've created. It's what makes you glow. Yet, collagen, an essential building block for skin structure and support, decreases over time, which leaves you looking half as brilliant as you feel. But you're just getting started. TeMana Noni plus collagen is a daily beauty shot featuring hydrolyzed marine collagen plus Tahitian superfruit noni. First, marine collagen, which is absorbed into the body more efficiently than other collagen sources, allows your body to immediately replenish its collagen levels. Next, noni not only promotes the production of new collagen, but also inhibits the breakdown of existing collagen. It's a scientifically proven combination that's essential to your daily beauty routine. In less than 30 days, you'll see younger-looking skin with more radiance, plus smoother skin and firmer skin. They say that beauty is only skin deep, and we agree. Your confidence and self-love shine through. So start there every day and reach for Noni plus collagen. Proof that beauty truly does come from within.